Welcome back to Doggone RV'N. I'm out here in the backyard. We got a beautiful sunny day. Everybody is out enjoying the sun. When we have a break in the rain, I think everybody that can calls in sick and just gets out and does anything they can to enjoy the warmth and the sunlight. And so it's pretty noisy, even out here in the country. We have Canadian geese and that flying over, heading back south, and just the buds are coming out on all the trees. It's just the sense of rebirth and the promise of spring that gives me hope for the coming season. Anyway, the girls are out here. They're probably smelling where all the squirrels have been, raccoons, possum, all kinds of birds, rabbits, whatever else is out there in the woods behind our home here. And they're always out here smelling new smells. But anyway, let's see. I've spent over 7 years upgrading and improving my old 2007 Class B RV. And I've tried to build it into something that was self-sufficient and enjoyable pretty much no matter where I went, as long as I didn't go off the road into four-wheel drive territory. I'd just get myself really stuck. And where I go, I'd be out there until the cows came home, if there was cows out there. So, yeah, this is going to be a peek into what we've done in the past, and it'll give you an insight into what we plan to do in the future in the next several years. I hope this gives you some insight into what this channel is about, what you can look forward to exploring and seeing and enjoying if you follow us here on Doggone RV'N. So, before we get into our video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button, then hit that bell. I try to get a video out every week, and once we're on the road exploring, we'll have multiple videos per week. So, yeah, let's get to the video. The girls and I have so many adventures ahead of us these next few years as we continue our exploration of a variety of environments throughout the western United States. They will find us traveling through the high deserts, along the Pacific coast and inland seas, and through the mighty Rocky Mountains. I will touch on 10 topics in this video of my many interests and those destinations we will seek out to give you an idea of our RV'N lifestyle in retirement and what you can expect by following us here on our Doggone Travel channel. 1. There are so many sights traveling and exploring the Pacific coastline from Canada to the end of California. Each trip down or up the coast rewards you with new and changing adventures. Just enjoy the journey down the coast or up the coast and breathe in the salt air and let the rhythm of the waves ease your mind and soul. 2. Living in a short 19-foot RV with 2 dogs takes a measure of patience and a knack for enjoying small places. Training your dog to enjoy and behave in small living spaces will make your life on the road all that much better. 3. Exploring old ghost towns and mining towns of the West is also an amazing look back into our hard-earned past as pioneers of all types carved out a hard-fought and earned existence in the Old West as we moved forward to the Pacific coast. BLM campgrounds and boondocking in the West. This can also be an interesting and at times surprisingly beautiful place to boondock or camp as you cross the western United States. There is a huge abundance of BLM land and semi-developed campgrounds you can come across and enjoy while you explore the surrounding areas. It is well worth exploring each BLM campground you come across. 5. The natural history of the West. You will find with amazement the remains of people who have lived on the land and explored it long before any Western society overwhelmed it. 6. Harvest Hosts. As a member of Harvest Hosts, this is another fun and fascinating adventure you can enjoy while traveling across the West. I have traveled to many different wineries across the West, some out in the middle of nowhere, and have documented them in my playlist. But there is a variety of so many Harvest Hosts, such as farms, churches, and museums, where you can stay a night or two and explore them and the area around them. All well worth it. 7. I will have a series of 6 videos of the upgrades and improvements made to my old 2008 RV for my RV lifestyle, so I can enjoy along with my 2 dogs my travels and explorations of the wide open American West. They are something you will want to see and take note of. The natural history of the land of the West. There are caverns of many types to explore, and many different environments, and the variety of flora and fauna that changes with the states, the altitudes, and the environments. There is so much beauty in the West, both above and below the land, that it is well worth taking your time to explore everything you see. 9. Memories of the past that still stand. There is so much truth in the saying, if you don't know what was, you cannot know what you have lost. I will be visiting some locations from far in my past that I hope will have you reflecting on what we have lost for those that remember, and I hope stir interest in those that have never seen these amazing natural curiosities and will seek them out before they are gone themselves. And 10. There are so many things to see on the road still today that it seems only a handful of adventurers seek out to explore and enjoy. If you have the strength to break the mental chains of what you are trained to think and do, you will find the mental freedom to capture the spirit of our forefathers, the pioneers, as they traversed the American West, and the joy and awe they may have experienced with each of their adventures and discoveries. So as always, here on Doggone RV'N, the girls and I wish you happy trails and woof woof. We'll see you later.